Welcome to this video. Really great to have you here. This one will be a quick one, but it will be really useful for you if you're using AI. Whatever you're getting AI to do, if you want to get the best responses from ChatGPT every time, I'm going to show you the perfect prompt. I'm going to show you the perfect structure that you can use so you get far better output, and you can actually use ChatGPT for stuff rather than feeling like it's templated responses and so on. So you're going to enjoy this one. If you do like it, do give us a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate you doing that. It does help. And subscribe if you're interested in building income streams with AI, and remember to pick up your 100 AI prompts. If you're interested in the best prompts, you can use this video for the perfect prompt, but if you're interested in ready-made 100 AI prompts, check it out. The link is in the description. You'll find it below, and that's totally free to download. So let's get straight into it. This is why I'm going to show you this. Most people ask ChatGPT simple questions. Write me a blog post, make me an image. I'm going to show you firstly, I'm going to show you the structure for the perfect prompt, and then I'm going to show you it in action with an actual prompt with the prompt filled in, so you get a good output. So let's have a look now. So here is the perfect prompt. Whatever you want ChatGPT to do, this will work really well. You are role and persona with expertise in specific field or niche. Your task is a specific task. Consider the following details: audience, objective, style, tone, constraints and format. And then begin by asking clarifying questions if needed. Now, the steps to this prompt and why it works so well is: step one, you're defining the role. That also works well. You're telling ChatGPT who it has to be to get the task done to a better level. That also works well if you want ChatGPT to be somebody like Dan Kennedy for copywriting, for instance. Works really well. Step two is specifying the task. That's this bit here. Your task is to. That's where you're very clear about what you need. I'll show you an example of this working so you can see, but that's that part, step two. Step three is to detail the audience, you see here, and that is to describe who the content is for. The more specific the better. Step four is to set an objective. You can see that as number 2 there, and that's what outcome are you aiming for. Step 5 is any style or constraints, style and tone and constraints, any specific requirements or limitations. Maybe you're going to limit the word count if it's an article and so on. And then step 6 is to request the format, whether you need a table, a list, an article, and how you want that formatted. So if you use this prompt, it will structure it really well for you to get anything done. And I'll show you an example of this working with the prompt filled in. So here we go. So here's an example of the actual prompt working and the output that I'll show you as well. But you can see here it's filled in. You are a fitness expert specializing in beginner-friendly routines and advice. Your task is to create a blog post titled 10 Fitness Tips for Beginners to Build Healthy Habits. And then I'm defining the audience. Audience, beginners who are new to fitness. Objective, provide practical tips to motivate them and help them start working out. Step 3, style and tone, friendly, encouraging and easy to understand. Step 4, constraints, keep under 100 words each and avoid overly technical language. Step 5, format, a numbered list with each tip having a title and brief description. And you can see how you could change that up. You don't have to have it as a numbered list, you could have it as a blog post, but you can see how you can get clarity there. And then the output is here: 10 fitness tips for beginners to build healthy habits. And then there's the tips, 10 tips, exactly as formatted, and great. This would be more of an overview blog post, but a great way of getting really good content. Again, you could change the format and say a full blog post. You could change the constraints and say keep tips over 500 words each if you wanted a longer piece. But using that exact structure, you're defining everything that you need to. You're going to get far better results, not just for blog posts, but for anything, email messages, anything that you're looking to do. you're going to get far better output by using that structure. So give that structure a go. You'll find it really useful. And then, as shown in this example, just take that structure, fill in the blanks, and you'll get far better results. Thanks for watching, guys. Do give us a thumbs up if it helped you. Do subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.